Welcome to One and All. In this section, we are going to discuss Chapter 3 Pair of Linear Equations in Two Variable. Algebraic method of solving pair of linear equation in two variable. Different algebraic methods are the substitution method, elimination method and cross multiplication method. Here we are going to discuss substitution method. Okay, let's start with the one problem. Solve the following pair of linear equation in two variable by substitution method. The equations are what are they? 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1 and x minus y is equal to minus 1. Okay, you have to find out the value of x and y using substitution method. So what is the first step? Mark the given equations as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay, so first equation 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 1 and the second equation x minus y is equal to minus 1. After that, from equation number 1 or equation number 2, write x is equal to or y is equal to. Either you select equation number 1 or 2 and write down x is equal to or y is equal to. So here I am selecting equation number 2. Okay, and x is equal to, that is easy. So x is equal to what is? X is equal to minus 1 plus y. What is x? X is equal to minus 1 plus y. So you will get from equation number 2, what is that? X is equal to minus 1 plus y. Of this value of x, you should substitute in first equation. Okay, that meaning we selected x is equal to minus 1 plus y from equation number 2 and this value you should substitute in the first equation. So what do you mean by substitute? Substitute meaning in the first equation instead of x you should replace minus 1 plus y. So you will get 3 into minus 1 plus y minus 5y is equal to minus 1. Okay, that is if you substitute you will get 3 into minus 1 plus y. So x, instead of x you should write minus 1 plus y. Okay, so 3 into minus 1 plus y minus 5y is equal to minus 1. Okay, and after that you just open the bracket. So you will get 3 into minus 1. What is 3 into minus 1? You will get minus 3 and 3 into 1 you will get 3y. Minus 5y is equal to minus 1. Now after that, what is our aim? Find the value of y from this equation. For this, you arrange the y variables only on the LHS and the numbers on RHS. Okay, so you will get 3y minus 5y is equal to, what is 3y minus 5y? 3y minus 5y you can subtract, they are like terms. So 3y minus 5y is equal to minus 2y. That is equal to minus 1 already it is there. And when you transpose this minus 3 to right side, it become plus 3. Okay, so minus 2y is equal to minus 1 plus 3. And minus 1 plus 3, what is the value? It is equal to 2. So you will get minus 2y is equal to 2. So that y is equal to, what is y? Y is equal to 2 by minus 2. 2 by minus 2, what is that? It is equal to 1. So you got the value of y. But one more value we have to find out. What is that? X. So how will you get x? Already we know what is the relation. X is equal to minus 1 plus y. But we got the value of y. What is the value of y? Y is equal to minus 1. So you just replace. So you will get x is equal to minus 1 plus y. What is y? Y is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1 plus minus 1. So its value is minus 2. So the final answer, x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to minus 1. So these are the solution of this pair of linear equation. Okay. Next problem. X plus 2y is equal to minus 1. 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, so the second problem. So as usual, first step, mark the given equation as equation number 1 and equation number 2. Okay, Now in this problem, which one you will select? First equation. Why? Because from the first equation it is very easy to write x is equal to. Okay, so I am selecting equation number 1. So you should write from equation number 1, what is x is equal to? From equation number 1, x is equal to what is that? Minus 1 plus 2y. When you transpose to right side, it become minus 2y. So here we selected from equation number 1. Okay, so you should write down x is equal to, what is x? X is equal to minus 1 minus 2y. Okay, after that, where you have to substitute? Substitute x is equal to minus 1 minus 2y in equation number 2. Okay, substitute in equation number 2. So what is 2 into x? What is x? X meaning minus 1 minus 2y. Okay, minus 3y. X you replace with this one, minus 1 minus 2y. So 2 into minus 1 minus 2y minus 3y is equal to 12. Then same step, just open the bracket, 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 into minus 2y, it is minus 4y. Then minus 3y is equal to 12. So arrange y only left side. So minus 4y minus 3y. Minus 4y minus 3y is equal to 12, already it is there. And this number you have to transpose to right side. It becomes 12 plus 2. Okay. Now what is that? Minus 4y minus 3y. Minus 7y. 7y is equal to 12 plus 2. What is that? It is 14. So y is equal to what is that? 14 by minus 7. 14 by minus 7, what is that? It is equal to minus 2. So you got the value of y. Next, you should find out the value of x. So therefore, x is equal to, which one you have to select? This one. What is our x? Okay, x, what is that? Minus 1 minus 2y. What is y? It is minus 2. So you will get minus 1. Minus 2 into minus 2, what is that? It is plus 4. So x is equal to 3. So what are the final answer? Final answer, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2. So these are the solutions. Okay. Moving to our third question. 2x plus 3y is equal to 9 and 3x plus 4y is equal to 5. What is the first step? Mark the given equation as equation number 1 and equation number 2. But like last problem, it is not easy. That meaning from the last problem, it was very easy to write down x is equal to or y is equal to. But here it is not like that. So anyone you have to select. So anyway, I am selecting equation number 1. So from equation number 1, can you write directly x is equal to or y is equal to? No. So from equation number 1, I am writing 2x. 2x is equal to, what is that? 2x is equal to 9 minus 3y. What is that? From equation number 1, 2x is equal to 9 minus 3y. But we require x is equal to or y is equal to. So therefore, what is x? X is equal to 9 minus 3y. 9 minus 3y all divided by 2. What is that? X is equal to 9 minus 3y all divided by 2. After that, where you have to substitute? So, substitute in equation number. We selected from equation number 1. So, where you have to substitute? In equation number 2. So, substitute in equation number 2. You will get 3 into x. What is x? X meaning 9 minus 3y all divided by 2 plus 4y is equal to 5. X you replace with a 9 minus 3y all divided by 2. Okay, plus 4y is equal to 5. Okay, so you will get 3 into 9. 3 into 9, 27. Minus 3 into 3y, it is 9y. But all divided by 2 is there, all divided by 2. Equal to 4y we can transpose to right side. So it become 5 plus 4y, when you transpose to the it become minus 4y. Okay. Now in order to get the value of y easily, you just transpose this by 2 to right side. That is easy. So next step, 27 minus 9y equal to, when you transpose by 2 to right side, it become into 2. So into, what is that? 5 minus 4y. Then it is very easy. What is that? 27 minus 9y is equal to, open the bracket, 2 into 5, it become 10, minus 2 into 4y, it is 8y. Okay, after that arrange variables and numbers. So you will get minus 9y, already it is there. When you transpose this y to right side, left side it become plus 8y is equal to 10. 27, when you transpose to left side, it become minus 27. So that we arranged y variables in LHS and numbers on RHS. After that, add it. Minus 9y plus 8y. What is that? Minus y is equal to 10 minus 27. What is 10 minus 27? It is minus 17. Both side negative signs are there, that we can cancel. So the final value of y is equal to 17. So y is equal to 17. So you got the value of y. Next we have to find out the value of x. For this you select the relation. What is the relation? X is equal to 9 minus 3y all divided by 2. So therefore x is equal to 9 minus 3 into y. What is y? Y you got, it is 17 divided by 2. Okay. So x is equal to, what is that? 9 minus 3 into 17 all divided by 2. Okay. So that is 9 minus, what is that? 51 all divided by 2. 9 minus 51. What is 9 minus 51? Minus 42. So minus 42 by 2, that is equal to minus 21. So the value of x is minus 21 and the value of y is 17. Okay. Next question. X by a minus y by b is equal to 4 and 2x by a plus y by b is equal to 2. So mark the given equation as equation number 1 and 2. But here fractions are there. The coefficients are fractions. So first we can remove the fraction. Okay, how? For this we select x by a minus y by b is equal to 4. So if you cross multiply, you will get b into x. What is that? bx minus a into y. You will get ay. All divided by a into b. That is ab. It is equal to 4. So that we can write, what is that? bx minus ay is equal to ab. By ab you transpose to right side, it become 4ab. So this is our new equation number 1. So that the coefficients are not fraction. Like that, the second equation also, 2x divided by a plus y by b is equal to 2. Just cross multiply, you will get 2x into b. What is that? 2bx plus a into y, it is ay, all divided by a into b, that is equal to 2. Again 2bx plus ay is equal to ab, you transpose to right side, it become 2ab. So this is our new second equation. So that from equation number 1 and 2, the coefficients are not fraction. So that is the easy method. Okay. Now anyone, you have to select either equation number 1 or equation number 2. Okay. I am selecting equation number 1. So how to write? from equation number 1, what is that? Not direct one. So anyway you should write down bx. Bx is equal to, what is that? Bx is equal to 4ab minus ay. When you transpose to right side, it become plus ay. So we required x. So x is equal to, what is that? 4ab plus ay all divided by b. Okay. So you selected from equation number 1. So where you have to substitute in equation number 2. So substitute in equation number 2. You will get 2bx. What is x? 4ab plus ay all divided by b. Okay. Plus ay is equal to 2ab. Now before simplifying, we can cancel this b and b, isn't it? So you will get 2 into 4ab. What is that? 2 into 4ab. It is 8ab plus 2 into ay. So you will get 2 into 4ab 8ab plus 2 into ay 2ay plus ay is equal to 2ab. Okay. Now arrange the y variable only in the left side. So 2ay plus ay is equal to 2ab minus 8ab. Okay. So 2ay by ay how many times? This is 2 times. This is 1 time. So total 3ay. 3ay is equal to 2ab minus 8ab minus 6ab. So y is equal to minus 6ab divided by 3a. 3 you can cancel, this is 2. A cancel. So what is the value of y? Y is equal to minus 2b. Okay, y is equal to minus 2b. Now you have to find out the value of x. For this you select this one. Okay, therefore x is equal to 4ab plus a into y. What is y? Minus 2b all divided by b. So you will get 4ab. What is this? A into minus 2b minus 2ab all divided by b. So you will get 4ab minus 2ab. What is that? 2ab divided by b. So b we can cancel. So what is that? Is 2a. So what are the final answer? Final answer, x is equal to 2a and y is equal to minus 2b. Okay. Thank you.